Hello everyone, today we are going to solve valid anagram problem of blind 75 list of problem by Leetcode. And in this problem we basically have to given two string as S and T, and we need to check if both the string is anagram of each other or not. If it is anagram of each other, then we will return true, else we will return false. So now the question is, what is anagram? Anagram means all the character present in string 1 is also present in string 2, and it is not necessary that all the character is in same order. Let's understand this thing with the help of an example. Here in example 1, string 1 is given as ANAGRAM anagram, and string 2 is given as NAGARAM anagram. So in this example, all the character present in string 1 is also present in string 2. Here A is present, A is also present in string 2, N is present in string 1, N is also present in string 2. A is present, A is also present in string 2. Z is present, G is also present in string 2. R is present, R is also present in string 2. A is present, A is also present in string 2. M is present, M is also present in string 2. In an anagram, as we know, it can be in jumble form. Hence, it is anagram of each other. And here we are returning true boolean value. So here both are anagram of each other. So we are returning true here. Moving on to the second example. Here in example 2, string 1 is given as rat, and string 2 is given as car. All the character in string 1 is not present in string 2, as T is present in string 1, but T is not present in string 2. And here C is present in string 2, C is not present in string 1. Like R is present, A is present, A is present, but T here in a string 1 is present, but T in string 2 is not present. C is present in string 2, but C is not present in string 1. So as we can say that it is not an anagram of each other. So let's take another example. If S is given, string 1 is given as R, A, T and C, and string 2 is given as C, A, R, car. Now is it anagram of each other or not? No, it is also not anagram of each other. Why so? Because in length of string 1 and length of string 2 is not same. For having an anagram, two conditions should be satisfied. Length of string, both the strings should be same, and all the character present in string 1 is also present in string 2. Like count of each character in string 1 is same as the count of each character in string 2. So now the question is that how can we find if both the string is anagram of each other? So let's take another string. On another example, string 1 is anagram and string 2 is anagram. Here in a string 1, if we sort this string 1, then it will become A, G, M, N and R. If we sort string 2, then it will become A, G, M, N, R. Here we can see that in a position 1, in a string 1, A is same as string 2. In a position 1, A is same as string 1 as string 2. In a position 2, A is same as string 1 as string 2. In a position 3, G is same as string 1 as string 2, and same goes with all the position, like all the all the position, all the, it is same as string 1 and string 2. So basically what we are doing in this intuition is that firstly we are sorting it, and then we are checking if all the position of string 1 is same as string 2 or not. So let's code this problem. Here we will firstly we will check if the size of string 1 is same as the size of string 2 or not. Like as we discussed, for having an anagram, two conditions should be satisfied. The length of the string 1 and string 2 should be same, and if the length is not same, then we will return false. So we are putting the same condition here. After that we are sorting the both the string. So we will sort it string 1 s dot, and now we are sorting string 2. After sorting, we will check if the position of both the string character is same or not. If it is same, then we will return true. Like here we are checking, if it is same, then it will return true. Let's run this code. Here we are getting correct output. Let's submit it. Time complexity of this intuition will be n log n, because firstly we are sorting it, then we are iterating it and checking it whether if the position of all the character in string 1 is same as string 2 or not. And the space complexity of this algorithm will be big of 1. And why so? Because we are not taking extra spaces in this algorithm. Thank you.